Hey everyone, this is Princess and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another unit to review for you guys. The unit I have on right now is from the Model 7-star V-shaped lace front, and I have this in the style EV-003, and this is the color 1B. I got this unit from wigtops.com, and honestly speaking, 90% of the wigs that I have I order from wigtops.com. I will put the direct link to this unit in the description box below and everything else you may want to know. Okay, so let's get into the details about this hair. This unit comes with 2 combs to the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps, as you guys can see in the video. The parting space of this unit is amazing because I did not pluck any hair on this unit at all. All I did was cut the lace and put it on. That's it. The lace on this unit, it is a soft lace, which I am in love with. The parting space is like the most perfect parting space I have ever seen on a wig unit, like honestly, because I did not have to pluck any hair from the parting space. I did not have to apply any concealer or powder to this unit. I just cut the lace, throw it on, and that's it. Like honestly, I did not cut any layers. The hair comes layered already, so you don't have to do nothing. So if you are a beginner, this wig is for you. It is affordable, it is an easy style, it is a gorgeous style. So if you are a beginner in wearing wigs, I will recommend this unit to you. What else? The texture of this unit, it is a yaki texture, which I'm like in love with. It's like I have a whole list of things that I want in a wig, and this unit just like, I would just like check, like soft lace, check, perfect parting space, check, like yaki texture, check. There is no luster to this unit at all. What you see on the camera is exactly where you would get. This is a 1B, but I feel like for a 1B, this is very dark. I'm not sure why, but I mean, I don't mind because I actually wanted a 1, but it was sold out, so I just got the 1B. And for a 1B, it is very dark, which is like, which I do not mind at all. What else can I say below? I do not have anything negative to say about this unit at all. As you guys can see, it is like a really gorgeous unit. The length is about like, what, 18 inches. It goes like past my belly button, or just about my belly button. Yeah, if I really pull this down, it goes to like just about my belly button. The density of this hair is like fabulous. Like this hair is full. This is my favorite unit like ever. Like seriously, I thought I was in love with like my previous wigs and stuff. This is like my favorite wig right now. What else can I say about this hair? Shedding. I have not experienced any shedding at all. The wig did shed 1, 2, 3 strands of hair when I cut the lace off, but that is very much normal, which is not bad at all. The luster of this unit, what you see on camera is what you get. There is no shine to this unit at all. Like I said, this unit is just all together like the total package. I wish all wigs would look like this, would come like this. Like the lace, it's just like, what else can you ask for? Really, like the length is there. I love the fact that this unit is long because as it gets old, you can cut it and just have like a whole new different style to rock and just, you know, enjoy it. Like I said, this unit was less than $30. I'll link to this unit in the description box below, so you guys do check that out. Y'all, it is hot. Like, it is hot. I don't know if you guys can see me sweating, but it is hot. I will put the link to this unit in the description box below and everything else. Do subscribe to my channel. Please share this video, show your girl some love, and have a blessed day.